Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce pasta Vismai food, full guide. Start by boiling 250 g pasta in salted water until al dente, then drain and set aside. Prepare a smooth bechamel with 30 g butter and 30 g flour cooked briefly, then whisk in 500 ml milk until thickened and season with salt, pepper, and grated cheese. Toss the pasta with sauce, garnish with parsley, and serve warm for a cozy meal. Warm a saucepan gently and melt 30 g butter, then add 30 g flour and cook for a minute to remove raw taste. Gradually pour in 500 ml milk while whisking constantly so the mixture becomes silky and thickens evenly. Add 50 g grated cheese and adjust salt and pepper to taste, keeping the sauce creamy but not too runny. If needed, thin with 1 to 2 tablespoons of reserved pasta water and stir briefly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup a breeze after pasta night. I find it saves time and keeps floors spotless, which lets you focus on the food. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the sauce briefly, then add the drained pasta and toss gently to coat every strand evenly, adding reserved pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time for perfect consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning, remembering that the cheese will increase saltiness slightly. Plate the pasta, sprinkle with extra grated cheese and chopped parsley for color and aroma, and serve right away so the sauce stays smooth and comforting, making this dish ideal for a relaxed home meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.